Just have a quick story for you. I met with a client recently to open him a tax-free savings account. And I asked, do you have a group savings plan? Do you have any RSPs? And he said, yeah, I put some money away off my check at work and they match it. And I said, well, that's great. That's another great way to save. I said, do you know much about your plan? And he said, I'm pretty sure I have to work there for 5 years to be able to get any money out. I said, well, time out. Most companies have a 2-year vesting period, which means, you put in 3, 4, or 5% and they'll match it up to a certain amount. But usually as a retention tool, most group plans require you to be there for 2 years. If you leave before those 2 years, you get to take your contributions and they take their money back. But it's usually 2 years, not 5 years. So I said, you know what, get a hold of your benefits booklet and let me take a look at it because it should spell that out. So if you have a group benefits plan, my message for you today is to really understand how it works. Is there a 2-year vesting? What happens when you leave? Do you have a beneficiary named on your policy? A lot of times I see that somebody hasn't named a beneficiary or they don't have the proper beneficiary in place. Something's happened and maybe that person's gotten divorced or now they're married and they still have their mom as a beneficiary as an example. So if you do have a group plan, my message today is just to pull out the booklet and make sure that you really understand how your plan works.